Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Steam region to Turkey. Changing your Steam country or region is a little bit complicated. First of all, launch your Steam and sign into your account. And now click on your name and click on account details. And here make sure to select account details option. Under store and purchase history, click on update store country. And now click on contact Steam support. In this Steam support page, scroll down and here you just read this little article. If you have moved to a new country or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country settings when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country settings, you will have an option to change your store region while you view your card or as you complete your purchase. So all you have to need just follow these easy rules to change your Steam country to Turkey or anywhere. But if you still need any help, just click on contact Steam support. And here you have to select your country. For example, let's search for Turkey. And all you have to need select Turkey, and in this details box, you have to carefully describe that you want to change your country or region to Turkey and why you want to change your region. And then all you have to need just send these request form and wait for Steam to get back to you. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.